Dani. I'm a library associate at Siouxland Libraries, and today our Kids Discover is Billy Goat's Gruff Engineering Challenge. The challenge is to use household items to build a sturdy bridge that can hold 100 cup of pennies for 30 seconds without breaking. You can make it more challenging by limiting your number of supplies, maybe just using 2 or 3 instead of a ton. While you're planning your bridge, look up a couple different types. Is yours going to be an arch, a beam bridge, a suspension bridge, a cable stay bridge? Look at all the designs and figure out which one might be best for you. Or you can, of course, just wing it. One thing to note is the shapes you use. Triangles are definitely the strongest shape and used in a lot of bridges, as you can see from the previous diagram. So here's some of the items I used. Straws, popsicle sticks, toothpicks, rubber bands, string, some clothesline clips, and of course my cup of 100 pennies, which is pretty heavy. Here's some ideas for supplies. You could use paper clips, clothespins, cardboard, Play-Doh, paper towel or toilet paper tubes, straws, popsicle sticks, toothpicks, binder clips, tape, newspaper, rubber bands, yarn or string, and you'll definitely need a plastic cup, some pennies, and probably a pair of scissors. Like I said earlier, it's a good idea if you want to make it a little bit more challenging just to use maybe 2 or 3 or 4 items as opposed to a dozen, just to make it a little more challenging. Look in your recycling bin or raid your junk drawer to see what you can find. So here's my first attempt at making a bridge, and I've sped it up a little bit so you don't have to watch me fumble for about 20 minutes. But I started with some popsicle sticks to try to see if I could use a rubber band to kind of make a plank out of it, and that didn't really work. So next I'm moving on to the clothespins. I didn't really have Play-Doh or tape, so I just kind of tried to work with what I had. So let's see, is that going to work? Is that going to be stable? Doesn't look like it. Okay, now I'm going to try something with rubber bands. Let's see. Maybe the tension will help. That's not really a horizontal bridge. Okay, let's start over from scratch. Maybe with the little coffee straws. Okay, let's see if we can use these big straws on these popsicle sticks. And yeah, that works, but it's not really that tall, and I want something a little more impressive. So I'm going to make a triangle, which is, as we saw, the strongest shape. It's not really standing up for me too well, but let's see what we can do. Oh, we're going to try a triangle with the straws, kind of like a tint. Try with the bigger straws. That kind of stands. I wonder if we can make a bridge out of that. Let's see. Will that one stand for me too? Awesome. Now let's make the horizontal part. It'll stand, it looks like, but I don't think that's going to hold 100 pennies. Let's try it, and no. Now that you've witnessed my own failed attempt at making a bridge, go ahead and try your own engineering challenge, and be sure to post pictures on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram with the hashtag SFTimeCapsule.